ఉమెన్స్ డే స్పెషల్ అండ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ షో ఉన్న సందర్భంగా డార్జిలింగ్ జాన్ గారు ప్రస్తుతం మనతో ఉన్నారు. వారిని అడిగి మరికొన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. హౌ ఇస్ ద షో?
It's lovely actually. These little kids are getting such a beautiful platform at such young age. I seriously wish I could have got it before because I am Miss Hyderabad, Miss Andhra Pradesh winner, and back in those days we never had this opportunity. I had to go from door to door to ask like if I can get that opportunities or anything or any other teachers and all. But these kids are very 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 lucky to have this platform. All thanks to Moksh Multai Studios. Yeah.
You are from modeling?
No, basically I am into acting, but as I have won Miss Hyderabad and Miss Andhra Pradesh, so I have judged a lot of about 40 to 50 plus Indian and international fashion shows, and yeah, not exactly into modeling but into acting. Recently, my music album has been released. Do watch it, Dil Khalbali on YouTube.
Children are walking here, na? How is it?
Yeah, as they are children, we cannot expect them to be very on point, but they are doing really best, and I'm pretty sure after few hours that finesse and the proper catwalk will be there. But for now, they are looking very cute, and I have actually loved and enjoyed the show.
You are also so beautiful. And what is the secret?
Eat at home, not much of an oily stuffs or something. First of all, thank you for calling me beautiful, much appreciable. And yeah, nothing, no secrets at all. Just take care of your skin, be hydrated, and yeah, that's all.
What is the dressing sense of you?
I believe in fashion is like styling of fashion. You have to do according to the place. As we say, jaisa des vaisa bhes. So if it's a traditional show, I go for traditional. If it's a modern thing or a fashion show, as you can see, I'm into a beautiful gown attire right now. So yeah, depends. I mean, I don't have a particular fashion, I would say. I just dress myself accordingly. Yeah.
Are you believe God?
God, yes, absolutely. I am a strong believer of God, and I believe in Shiva. I do the fasting and all as well, and I feel everything in this world is because of God. And I mean, you get the opportunities, you get the fame, you get the money, everything. If you believe in God, you will get the right, what will say, the path to reach the success. Yeah.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor, actually, I am more into Bollywood, so I will say Hrithik Roshan, Sir, Shah Rukh Khan, Sir, and Aishwarya Rai are my favorites.
Telugu?
Telugu, I would go with Mahesh Babu. For sure, he's so cute, chocolate boy. And yeah, I mean, Tamanna, she's beautiful. So many people, they do tell me that I resemble Tamanna, so yeah. Acha, so what I carry usually? First thing I carry is, yeah, obviously mobile and a lip gloss. And that's a go-to thing for me. And other than that, yeah, just few cards, debit cards and all. Not much. I carry small bags, so nothing much fits into it.
Favorite food?
Favorite food, Indian, maa ke ghar, like ghar ka, maa ke haath ka khana, I would say, yeah. I love homely food. Even if I'm traveling, I crave for ghar ka khana.
Favorite place what we should watch?
Favorite place is Hyderabad because I am from Maharashtra.
Biryani?
Yeah, I love biryani. I eat non-veg, so I love biryani. Yeah.
How much time spend to shopping?
Shopping, see, I'm not much into like window shopping or like going outside and shopping. I'm more into that online sites, like shopping sites, because I don't get much of the time. I would say I have like long, as I'm into acting, it's like 18-19 hours of shoot and all, and whatever I need for shooting, that is like already provided from the set. So other than that, whenever I like shopping, I go for Myntra, Jio, and etc. Yeah.
Below faith?
Yes, obviously. If you have faith, then only you will success. Yeah. Hello.
Money, diamond, gold. Which is your select?
Money, diamond, gold. I wouldn't select anything. See, I would select in work, hard work, success. Yeah.
Can you say something of nature?
Nature. See, they have taken a very great initiative today. They gave us the jade plant here, and as you can see, the show is going on in nature. So summers are here. I would actually ask people to not cut the trees because day by day, as you can see, it's very hot outside and it's very hard to actually work in this such environment. So yeah, my take on nature is like more and more. You have to plant the plants, obviously, and yeah, do water them, take care of the nature. Nature will take care of you.
Can you say about sleep?
Sleep. My sleeping schedule is like I shouldn't be saying anything on sleep because whenever I get time from my shoots, whether it's 2 hours, 3 hours, 8 hours, it's just not on point. But yeah, if I have to work on it, I will surely like maybe after my projects are done, I'll work on it.
Without makeup, are you come out?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I am very confident in my skin, in my color. So, yeah, I can actually come out. And I'm most probably, whenever I'm not shooting, I prefer to be just putting sunscreen because no makeup is not no sunscreen. So, you put sunscreen and you can go out. You're good to go.
Which is your favorite color?
Favorite color. I feel confident in every color. So, it's nothing particular. Yeah.